You have seen the sunset, right? And if you get up early enough, maybe you've seen it rise too. But have you ever wondered if the sun rises every day and sets every night, where does it go when we can't see it? Well, nowhere. It's actually us who goes somewhere because we are on the planet Earth and it's always turning or spinning on its axis. Imagine a line passing through the center of the Earth that goes both through the North Pole and South Pole. We call that invisible line the axis. The Earth spins around this axis like a top. This spinning movement is called Earth's rotation, and Earth's rotation is what gives us day and night every day, all year. If you are on the side of the Earth which is facing away from the sun, as the Earth is spinning, it's night. And if you are on the side facing the sun, you guessed it, day. Now, hold on tight because the Earth is actually moving in more ways than one. At the same time that the Earth spins on its axis, it also orbits or revolves around the sun. This movement is called revolution. One full orbit all the way around the sun is one revolution, and the Earth takes 365 days or 1 year to complete a revolution. So, have you got all of this so far? The Earth is rotating on its axis, creating day and night. At the same time, it's revolving all the way around the sun. This means that different parts of our planet's surface get different amount of sunlight and heat. So, why am I telling you all of this? Well, as the Earth travels around the sun, it creates a pattern throughout the year. I'm sure you have noticed it. At certain times of the year, you see the northern hemisphere leans towards the sun and the southern hemisphere leans away. And at the other times, the southern hemisphere leans towards the sun and the northern hemisphere leans away. That pattern, my friends, is what makes seasons. When the part of the world that you are living in is leaning towards the sun, it's warm and the days are long. Summer, when you're on the part that's leaning away from the sun, it's cold and the days are short. Winter, in between it's spring or autumn. So, revolution, rotation, orbit. Is your head spinning? Let's do a demonstration to shed a little light on these concepts. Okay, you're gonna need a globe and a table lamp without a shade, plus a table to put them both on. Put the lamp in the center of the table and turn it on. Put the globe on one side of the table. Now hit the lights. The globe is the earth. Makes sense, right? The lamp at the center of the table is the sun at the center of the solar system. Now slowly spin the globe. As the earth rotates, the sun lights up one side of the planet better than the other. It's day where the light is shining more brightly on the globe and the night where it's not. Now, let's see what the Earth's revolution around the sun looks like. Give the globe a few spins with one hand while slowly pushing the globe in a circle around the sun or the lamp with the other hand. So, do you notice the Earth keeps rotating as it revolves around the sun? If these were the real sun and Earth, by the time you get back to where you started, the globe would have completed 365 rotations or days, and that's another year gone by. It shows that what looks to us to be the motion of the sun in the sky is really caused by the motion of the earth. So, when you look up the sun and see setting and rising, it's not going around us, it's sitting pretty much at the center of the solar system, while we and other 7 planets go around it. That sun always going to be the center of attention.